Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super practical tutorial for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your own digital stickers in Canva, perfectly pre-cropped for GoodNotes, or as individual PNGs you can use just about anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design, customize, and export your very own stickers, ready to jazz up your digital planner, notebooks, or share with friends. Let's jump right in so you can start creating. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. You can use either the web version or the app, whatever you prefer, they both work great for this. Once you're in Canva, look for that big purple Create a Design button. Go ahead and click it. Now, instead of choosing a template, click on Custom Size. This is where you'll want to set your canvas to 100 pixels wide by 50 pixels high. This specific size is ideal because it keeps your stickers small and compact, really important for digital planning apps like GoodNotes, where you don't want your stickers to cover up half the page. It's a little like picking just the right sized label to fit neatly in your planner, and you can always adjust as you get a feel for what works best for you. Once you set those dimensions, hit Create New Design. You'll notice you have a nice blank workspace at your chosen size. Now comes the fun part, creating your actual sticker. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the Elements tab. Go ahead and click there. This is like the treasure chest of Canva. You'll find so many shapes, illustrations, icons, and more, all of which can become your sticker base. Let's say you want a cute coffee cup, a star, or maybe a motivational phrase. Type it into the search bar, pick one that catches your eye, and drag it onto your blank canvas. Now you aren't stuck with the original design. Feel free to change colors, resize elements, or even layer shapes together. Change up the font if you're adding text, or add a shadow for extra pop. You can layer elements, maybe put a heart over a notebook icon, just like cutting out a magazine collage, only a whole lot tidier and more flexible. This is your sticker, have fun with it and make it your own. If you want a different border, style, or background, toggle with those options too, but remember, transparency is key for digital stickers, so don't add a background unless you want it as part of your design. Once you finish your first sticker, don't stop there. You can add another page in the same design file for your next sticker. Just look for the Add Page button below your current design. Click it and you'll get a fresh blank mini canvas already set to the correct size. Repeat the same process, find an element, customize it, make it fun. Keep adding as many pages as you'd like. It's a really efficient way to batch create several stickers in one sitting. When you're happy with your sticker collection, it's time to save your work. Click the Share button in the top right corner and then hit Download. Now this is important, set the file type to PNG. PNG format is what allows your sticker to have that transparent background, so when you drag it into GoodNotes or another app, it won't have a white box around it. If you want each page as an individual PNG, perfect for importing as separate stickers, make sure to check the box to download all pages. Canva will package them for you as a zip file or as separate files. And that's really it. Now you can start adding your own flair to your digital planner or even share your sticker sets with others. If some steps felt a little quick, don't worry, you can always pause or rewind to catch up. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to make your own digital stickers. If you have any questions or if there's a specific style of sticker you want to see next, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit like if you found this useful and subscribe so you never miss out on more creative tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.